Do you want to be able to fix Instagram Messenger update not working in 2023? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And as you can see, the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram profile right here. So I'm currently on my Instagram profile. And if you don't have the Instagram Messenger update right now, well don't worry, because a lot of people actually doesn't have that like update right now, but there is a way to fix this. And the first way is going to be for us to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and then you should be taken here. As you can see, now what I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now I'm going to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help in here, and then I'm going to click on reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem in here, click on include and continue. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? Well, that is a great question. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the Instagram customer service team, and they're the ones that can help us with this issue because we haven't really received the Instagram Messenger update. And that is why we need to contact them and like explain to them that we haven't received it and we need that update, because like if we don't, then maybe we will not get it. Like, I hope I understand what I mean. So basically now what you need to do is to write exactly like this to their like customer service team to be able to make this work. Basically, I am missing the messenger update on my Instagram account, and also write like this: that was introduced in 2023. I need this to be fixed. So basically write exactly like this to their team. I am missing the messenger update on my Instagram account. That was introduced in 2023. I need this to be fixed. Actually, I'm just going to remove this one right here. Sorry. It sounds better like this when it's more like flowing. So I'm missing the messenger update on my Instagram account that was introduced in 2023. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. And then what you need to do after this is to wait about 20 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see this. And hopefully after you have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.